my darling.
Hi guys, it's Lou. So yesterday I brought my car to the mechanics to get fixed, and George followed me in his car to pick me up and bring me home so that I wouldn't have to wait there until my car was finished. Well, once home I switched into my gym clothes and I picked up George's keys and I said, I'll be back. And he said, well, wait a second. I was planning on going to the mall. And normally, having only one car, he could have dropped me off, gone, picked me up, or vice versa. But my gym is 2 exits that way and the mall is 3 exits that way. So I told him that I would just go with him to the mall and do everything that I needed to do at the gym there. Well, he thought I was crazy and I said, watch me, let's go. So off to the mall we went. I know that everybody wants to know how my car is. It's fine. I picked it up, no problems. Okay, you guys, that's it for this video on why the mall is better than the gym. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. If you did enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't already subscribed but would like to be, please hit that button down below and you'll see me very soon with more videos. Bye, guys.